Welcome to Ascend and Awaken. Have you ever found yourself walking but not really being there? Maybe your body is moving, but your mind is racing through to-do lists, worries, or memories. You arrive somewhere, but you don't remember the journey at all. Thich Nhat Hanh, the beloved Zen master, offered us a gentle but powerful practice to bring us back home, to our bodies, our breath, and to the present moment. It's called walking meditation, and it's about discovering peace, clarity, and even joy with every step we take. Today, we'll explore the philosophy behind walking meditation, how to practice it step by step, and why this simple act can transform how you move through life itself. For most of us, walking is just a way to get from point A to point B. But in mindfulness, walking becomes the journey itself. Thich Nhat Hanh often said, "Walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet." Each step can be an act of love, gratitude, and presence. Instead of rushing, you slow down. Instead of thinking about where you're headed, you allow each step to be its destination. At its core, walking meditation transforms an ordinary action into a sacred one. You are no longer just a person walking. You become fully alive in the present moment, carried gently by your breath and your body. We might ask, why walking? Why not only sit quietly in meditation? For one, walking brings mindfulness into motion. Life is not lived only on the cushion or in silence. It's lived as we move through our day. Walking meditation bridges the stillness of seated practice with the busyness of life. It also connects us to our bodies. So many of us are trapped in our heads, thinking endlessly. Walking grounds us. Each step reminds us, I am here, I am alive. And when practiced outdoors, it connects us with the natural world. The breeze against our skin, the sound of birds, the feel of the earth beneath our feet, these become part of the meditation itself. Let's break it down into a simple practice you can start today. 1. Choose your path. Find a quiet place where you can walk slowly and undisturbed. This could be a garden, a quiet path, or even a hallway in your home. The length doesn't matter. What matters is that you can walk back and forth peacefully. 2. Anchor with the breath. Start by standing still. Take a deep breath in. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground. Take one slow step as you breathe in. As you breathe out, take another. Match your steps to your natural breathing. 3. Use gentle words. Thich Nhat Hanh often encouraged pairing simple phrases with steps. For example, breathing in, I calm my body. Step. Breathing out, I smile. Step. Or, breathing in, I have arrived. Step. Breathing out, I am home. Step. 4. Smile with your feet. Walk as though each step is a gift. Imagine your feet planting seeds of peace in the earth. Even if your mind wanders, gently bring it back with your next step. 5. Short practice, big impact. You don't need to walk for an hour. Even 5 or 10 minutes of mindful walking can reset your whole day. Walking meditation offers so much more than just relaxation. Stress relief. Each step slows your nervous system down, releasing the grip of anxiety. Clarity. As your mind quiets, insights can arise naturally without forcing them. Gratitude. Every step reminds you of the miracle of simply being alive and healing. Walking with mindfulness can release emotional tension stored in the body. Yen connection. If practiced outdoors, it deepens your relationship with the earth, turning every walk into a silent prayer of gratitude. Thich Nhat Hanh described this as coming home to yourself with every step. You don't have to chase peace somewhere out there. It's already here, beneath your feet. You don't need a retreat center to practice walking meditation. You can do it, walking from your car to the office. See, walking through your garden in the morning. Even walking down your hallway at home. The practice isn't about where you are, it's about how present you are. If you can bring this awareness into your ordinary steps, your whole day begins to feel different. So the next time you walk, don't just rush to your destination. Slow down, breathe, smile, and let each step remind you that peace is already here, waiting for you. If this reflection resonated with you, I invite you to subscribe to Ascend and Awaken, a life of balance. Every week, we explore timeless practices and teachings to help you find stillness and clarity in everyday life. And before you go, I'd love to hear in the comments, have you ever tried walking meditation? If not, where's one place you'd like to begin practicing it? Peace, love, and light to you on your continual spiritual journey.